Good evening, churchers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be conducting a tutorial on how to leave class remark here in Acadsoc after you finished your 25-minute lesson. Before we start, if you're new in my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be updated with my latest uploads. So to leave class remarks, all you have to do is to click this class table once you log into Tutor Client. And then you will see here this one, you need to leave a comment after the lesson. So I just finished my lesson and I haven't added my class remarks. So I'll just have to click on this one. Okay, wait for it to load. Okay, there you go, guys. Now we're going to click leave class remarks. Okay, wait for it. Now right here, please select the items that students have not mastered. Well, he already mastered everything here for the pronunciation. So for now, we're gonna phonics phrases, key sentences. All right, just need to put a check mark everything here, and then this one just need to make it, and then make some documentations, and then great job. Oh well. Uh, keep up the good work for you to improve more your English communication skills. Uh, I highly, I highly suggest you keep watching English movies and read English books. I hope to see you next time. Thank you for having me as your teacher. Okay, after that, you just need to click submit, and that's it. And then confirm. So that's how you make class remarks in Acadsoc, teachers. That's all for today's tutorial. Have a good day. Bye-bye.